We looked into End Central for the scale that we needed to do, and we knew that we had a kiosk deployment coming up towards the end of this year. It was always a target for us to get that out this year. When we started to test the End Central platform, that's when we realized that actually we can tag multiple solutions into this and looked at it from that perspective, and that's where it seemed to tick a lot of the boxes for us. When we put it into testing, exceeded our expectations in terms of its stability and how well it was working, that we wanted to escalate how quickly we could get that out to our sites. Enable gave us that flexibility, but we still needed to get involved from a manual perspective to check in. But the fact that we could select 100 devices rather than 10 devices, schedule it, click our fingers and away we go, that's what allowed us to get it out quickly. The relationship with Enable has been fantastic from day one. So we had to lean on them, and even just giving a nudge sometimes in the right direction, it's been great. And that's what's helped us get this over the line as quickly as we were able to. I think my advice for anybody thinking about Enable would be, think about where you want to be in 6 months or a year's time and plan for how you want to do it there, because the likelihood is that it is capable of doing it. And assume you plan about those things, the stuff that you want to do today will more than likely be doable and be hopefully quite straightforward.